Hello, savvy viewers. We are TouchSuite merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to dive into the world of credit repair payment gateway? Top implementation strategies for success? Today, we'll explore the top implementation strategies for success in this dynamic industry. Stick around to unlock the secrets of seamless credit repair payment processing. Introducing TouchSuite. With over 20 years of experience in partnerships with major players like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, Amex, and many more, we've worked with over 50,000 merchants. Plus, our domestic US support is available 24/7. We're here when you need us. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below in the comments section. Understanding credit repair payment processing. Credit repair payment processing is no walk in the park. It involves navigating the intricacies of high-risk transactions, tackling chargebacks, maintaining regulatory compliance, and safeguarding reputation. A specialized payment gateway tailored for credit repair is your key to overcoming these challenges, providing security, and ensuring efficient payment processing. Importance of e-commerce credit card processing. In today's digital landscape, e-commerce credit card processing is a game-changer for credit repair businesses. Accepting credit cards not only offers convenience to customers but also expands your reach. Choose a credit repair payment gateway equipped with encryption, fraud prevention, and seamless integration for secure e-commerce transactions. Selecting the right credit repair payment gateway. Choosing the right payment gateway is crucial. Consider factors like high-risk expertise, compliance, and integration capabilities. Opt for providers experienced in the credit repair industry, ensuring seamless integration with your existing systems while complying with regulations. Enhancing security for credit repair payment processing. Security is paramount. Implement robust measures such as encryption, tokenization, and fraud prevention tools. These safeguards protect sensitive customer information during transactions, reduce data breach risks, and detect potential fraudulent activities. Managing high-risk payment processing. Effective management of high-risk payment processing is a must. Prevent chargebacks with clear refund policies, responsive customer support, and transaction monitoring. Regularly analyze transaction data, conduct risk assessments, and refine payment processing strategies. Leveraging credit repair payment gateway features. A feature-rich credit repair payment gateway is your ally. Look for multiple payment options, recurring billing, and comprehensive reporting. Offering various payment methods enhances customer satisfaction, while automated recurring billing streamlines processes, and reporting facilitates data-driven decisions. Partnering with a CBD merchant account provider. Consider teaming up with a reputable CBD merchant account provider specializing in credit repair. These experts understand the industry's unique challenges, offering tailored payment processing services to navigate the high-risk landscape efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For trusted payment solutions, visit TouchSuite's website with over 20 years of experience. See you in the next video.